face oils? I'm pretty sure you must have because you are a dry skin beauty. And guys, we bond on that point. Before we get started, hi, I'm Chitranshi. Welcome to my channel. अगर ये वीडियो का थंबनेल अच्छा लगा हो, मैं अच्छी लगी हूँ, वीडियो का कंसेप्ट अच्छा लगा हो, जो भी ऐसे और वीडियो देखना चाहते हो तो फटाफट से ना चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दो बिकॉज दैट इज वन थिंग विच मोटिवेट्स मी टू कीप ब्रिंगिंग दिस कंटेंट एंड like this video, like this video before we proceed, and let's get started. Face oils are a great way to hydrate and to calm down an extremely dry skin, sensitive skin and whatnot. Guys, I feel this much about face oils because I love them. I have used them for close to 7-8 years in my life. Trust me, 7-8 years in my life, and I am a fan of face oils. We are going to talk about the very first oil for dry skin. The very first face oil for dry skin is jojoba oil. People do pronounce it as jojoba oil also, but it's known as jojoba oil. I also did it in a lot of my videos and I corrected myself. So guys, it's a great oil for dry skin type because this oil has closest मिक्सचर ऑफ क्लोजेस्ट कॉम्पोनेंट एज जो हमारी स्किन प्रोड्यूस करती है. तो बेसिकली ड्राई स्किन वालों में होता क्या है कि स्किन इनफ ऑयल प्रोड्यूस नहीं करती है एंड आपकी स्किन उतना हाइड्रेटेड नहीं रह पाती. तो जो भी स्किन नेचुरली ऑयल प्रोड्यूस करती है दैट इज क्लोजेस्ट मैचिंग टू jojoba ऑयल. आई हैव यूज्ड इट इन पास्ट एंड आई कैन जस्ट से दैट इट्स अ प्रीटी अमेजिंग फेस ऑयल फॉर ड्राई स्किन बिकॉज ये ऑयल सबसे पहले इजीली एब्जॉर्ब हो जाता है. ऑयल वाली फीलिंग तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं रहता आपके फेस को. इट डजंट मेक योर फेस शाइनी और स्वेटी एट ऑल. सो इफ यू आर समवन हु इज स्कैर्ड और अफ्रेड ऑफ यूजिंग ऑयल इन समर्स, ट्रस्ट मी, प्लीज बाय jojoba ऑयल. इट इज ग्रेट. आई मीन बहुत ही ईजीली आपकी स्किन में डीपली पेनिट्रेट हो जाता है. कोई लेयर नहीं बनाता, ग्रीसी फीलिंग नहीं होती, टच करके चिपचिपा फील नहीं होता. इमीडिएटली विद इन मिनट्स, लाइक सेकेंड्स और मिनट्स, ये उतना जल्दी एब्जॉर्ब हो जाता है. Also, jojoba oil is great for wrinkles. So if you're someone who is experiencing premature aging, which is really common for dry skin people, I suggest that you start and you definitely include jojoba oil in your routine from this day onwards. So I'm going to leave down a few in my description box below. Make sure that any oil which you use on your face directly should be cold pressed and natural. Please make sure that you read the ingredient list of any oil that you buy. The second one on my list is rosehip fruit oil. So rosehip oil again is a great oil if you are someone who has extreme dry skin, like it's a great face oil for dry skin. Again, this one gets like absorbed really quickly. Please make sure that whatever oils I'm telling you in this video, they will not leave a greasy shine on your face. They will quickly get absorbed and you will not feel कि आपने oil लगाया हुआ है. So rosehip is my second preference. Not preference, what I do, I use a mix of all these oils and then I make my own oil. So let me know if you would like to watch a video on how I prepare my own oil. Leave down a comment below. If not, then please go ahead and buy any of these oils. All of them are great. So rosehip oil again is also known as dry oil. Why? Because this is so quickly absorbed in your skin that it does not even feel like oil, so that's why it's called dry oil. Again, rosehip oil has fatty acids and vitamin A, which is great for reducing wrinkles and fine lines. And then it is said that there have been clinical trials where they have seen the difference of rosehip oil on face. It helps you out with UV damage. It even helps out with the scars if you have any on your face, and then it helps cells regenerate quickly. So it's a great oil, again a great buy. Links सारे ही डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिलेंगे. मैं हर एक के साथ बोलती रहूँगी ताकि आप भूलो नहीं, और मेरी वेबसाइट भी चेकआउट कर लेना इफ यू वांट टू. 2-3 ऑप्शंस जो मुझे पसंद है रोजेप ऑयल के, मैं वो डाल दूंगी. बट पर्सनली आई एम अ फैन ऑफ सोलफ्लावर. आई हैव ट्राइड दोज ऑयल्स इन पास्ट and I have always loved Soulflower's oil, but कुछ उनके पास होते नहीं है, so I always prefer to go for a different brand. तो मैं सब नीचे लिंक कर दूंगी, आप हाँ देख लेना. Then the third face oil for dry skin will be argan oil. Argan oil is, again, you must have heard it in the beauty industry. It is a great oil for dry skin type. It's a great oil for acne prone skin. Like there are people who have dry skin but then acne prone skin which is really sensitive. So argan oil will be a great deal for you guys because it has vitamin E and fatty acids which make it really rich formula to apply on your skin topically, and it is a great oil. And I also have used argan oil and I really loved the texture of it. So it's a great oil to even out your skin tone, to hydrate it, to pump your skin, and It will give your skin a really nice and sheer healthy glow. So again, argan oil is one of my favorites. The next face oil for dry skin will be grapeseed oil. So this is specifically for people who have dry to combination skin. That means some of your areas are totally dry, excessively dry, and then there are a few areas of your face which are just normal. So I will suggest that dry combination skin type use grapeseed oil, because again it is packed with moisture, it is super great for your skin, and yet it is very light on your skin. It has vitamin C, it has anti-inflammatory agents, then it has antioxidants which are great for, you know, control premature aging, any fine lines which you have in the areas where you have thin skin, like under the eye area, ye wala area, and thoda neck wala area. So grapeseed oil is great for you people, and I think again it is available on Amazon under the brand Soulflower, या फिर कोई और brand जो आपकी preference हो तो आप grapeseed oil ले सकते हो, because again amazing oil. And then the last one on our list will be olive oil for dry skin type. So this is a great face oil for dry skin people, because olive oil, I am sure you must be aware, Figaro का सबने use करा होगा, but I will say that please use the oil, olive oil, which is specially made for your face, because I am guilty of using Figaro oil on my face and I don't know, I did not see those amazing results जब मैंने एक dedicated face oil use किया olive oil का. And guys, it gave me amazing results. There's one from Soulflower again. I'm a fan of Soulflower. Please do not take me wrong. If you prefer any other brand, please go for it. But I have been using Soulflower since quite a long time. मैंने बाकी भी face oils use किए हैं. मैंने Plum का एक mix of oils भी use किया है. I am a fan of oils. Tell me a brand and I've used it. But I personally really love Soulflower. So Soulflower का olive oil is awesome. If you mix it, like if you use this olive oil in combination of any of the other oils which I've just told you, या जो आपकी personal preference है, किसी essential oil के साथ आप use करना चाहो तो use कर सकते हो. Olive oil is great for giving you even skin tone. It is great for moisturization. Plus, it's a great multitasker. It is a super amazing makeup remover, hair care, lip care, whatnot. I mean, I just love olive oil. I always have one bottle of olive oil in my washroom present in case if I run out of my makeup remover or anything. So for those dry days, I use olive oil, and it is a great oil, guys. One thing to highlight here is that if you are somebody who has problem with strong fragrances, olive oil will be the best one for you, because it does not have any strong or rich fragrances. It's a very mild oil. It is also full of you know, these fatty acids which we dry skin people crave for, like linoleic and oleic acid. So olive oil, all in all, again a great oil, again a great face oil for dry skin people. So I have talked about 5 top preferences, which like the oils, 5 top face oil for dry skin type. If you like any of these, do not forget to check out my description box. And if you want to speak to me regarding any specific oil कि ये अच्छा है या ये नहीं, तो please comment box में मुझे बताना, and I will definitely make sure that I reply to your comment. I reply to everybody's comment. If you are a returning subscriber, you will notice that. Next thing is, if you're somebody who's new, please channel को subscribe कर लो. I really make interesting videos, and guys, please do that. I'm sure you will love the content on this channel. Please make sure that you like this video, because if you like it, I will be able to reach out to a lot of people. Please like this video. Also, if you feel that by any chance if I have not replied to your comment, which is like 1% possibility, 0.5% possibility, वैसे नहीं होती, but in case, तो प्लीज़ मुझे Instagram पे आप DM कर सकते हो, which is chitranshi.me. That's my handle on Instagram. You can follow me there. You can DM me. I always reply to my DMs also. So this is all we have for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope I was able to help you out, because that's what I'm here for. And at the end, I would like to say, love yourself. You're the most beautiful person you will ever meet. Bye guys. I will see you again with another video real soon. Ta-da!